Have you ever tried making music on a computer? It's repetitive work, clicking that mouse. We set out to change it. To do that, we had to go back and look at sound at its most fundamental level. We added a spatial dimension and made it completely modular. The result is an engine that liberates computer-generated music. We combine the power of a programming language with a response to the touch of your favorite guitar. We think electronic music finally has its instrument. So what do you want your music to feel like?